Alright, here we go. We got a Dustin R&R radio all done up. There'll be a link to it. It'll tell you everything that's done to it. Got variable power on the Delta tune. All the way from like 1/4 of a watt up to like 13 watts. But we'll show you here. We got, doing a digital one, probably a little easier. This is on low. About a 1/2 watt there. And then we'll go up to all the way up, be about 13. We got a 100 watt slug here for peak too. So first hash will be 10, 20, and then 30. I'll start off from low. Show you what it does peak first. Audio 1 test, audio test, get down, audio test, get down. About 58 watts on low. See what it does when I turn it up all the way. This is on high. Audio 1 test, get down, audio. Almost the same. I'm peaking out 60 there. Audio test, get down, audio. Look at that RMS getting down. Let's go back to on low here. I'll go back down to low. This is RMS. Let's turn this one to RMS now. It's RMS on low. Audio 1 test, get down, audio test, test. Almost 10. Let's go up to high. Here's high. Audio test, get down, audio. Almost 15 RMS, get down. This thing's smoking in the hog yard. You want a real done up radio? Get yourself a Dustin.